Do you know why your online shopping recommendations seem to read your mind? Welcome to the world of data, where millions of bits and bytes dance together to shape your everyday experiences. Data is everywhere, influencing decisions and outcomes both big and small. When you click buy on that pair of shoes, data is at work, quietly noting your preferences. It's not just about shopping though. Think about your car's GPS, guiding you towards your destination. That's data too, crunching numbers to plot the fastest route based on traffic conditions, roadworks, and even the weather. In fact, data is the invisible maestro conducting the symphony of our daily lives. It helps businesses understand their customers better, doctors predict disease patterns, and even determines what shows up on your social media feed. So, the next time you're navigating through your day, remember, data is not just numbers on a screen. It's a powerful tool that impacts our lives in ways we often don't realize. But what is this magical force called data science that makes all this possible? Well, let's break it down. The term data science might seem intimidating, but it's really not. Picture this. You're a meteorologist, and your job is to forecast the weather. You have heaps of information at your disposal: temperature readings, humidity levels, wind speeds, all sorts of data. Now the challenge is how to make sense of this data to predict tomorrow's weather. This is where data science comes in. Data science is like a master chef taking raw ingredients, in this case data, and mixing them together in just the right way to create something amazing. It combines statistics, algorithms, and technology to extract meaningful insights from data. In our weather example, a data scientist would use statistical methods to analyze the data, algorithms to identify patterns, and technology to visualize the forecast. Or consider a city planner working to optimize traffic routes. They have access to data like car counts, average speeds, and accident reports. Again, the task is to make sense of this data. Data science can help identify the most congested roads, the times of day when traffic is heaviest, and the areas where accidents are most frequent. This information can then be used to devise better traffic management strategies. Data science isn't just about analyzing data though, it's also about asking the right questions. It's about looking at a complex problem and figuring out what data you need to solve it. It's about being curious, creative, and critical all at once. And the best part, the applications of data science are virtually endless. From healthcare to finance, from sports to entertainment, data science is revolutionizing the way we understand and interact with the world around us. So, data science is like a detective making sense of a world full of clues. It's about uncovering the stories hidden within data, and using those insights to make smarter decisions, solve complex problems, and create a better future. Imagine wielding this power to solve complex problems. Data science, a seemingly complex term, is nothing but a powerful tool that helps us untangle the web of massive data to discover patterns, predict outcomes, and make informed decisions. Consider the healthcare industry. Data science is an invaluable ally in predicting disease outbreaks. By analyzing patterns in health data, from symptoms reported in hospitals to search trends on the internet, data scientists can forecast where and when an outbreak might occur. This early warning system allows healthcare providers to prepare and respond more effectively, potentially saving countless lives. Now let's switch gears to finance, another sector that reaps the benefits of data science. Investment firms use data science to optimize financial portfolios. By analyzing historical market data and investor behavior, data scientists can predict market trends and risks. This allows investors to make informed decisions and maximize their returns. But the power of data science isn't confined to serious sectors like healthcare and finance. It also plays a vital role in the entertainment industry. At any point, can't help thinking about how your streaming stage appears to know precisely the exact film you need to watch straight away. That's data science at work. By analyzing your viewing history and the viewing history of millions of other users, data scientists can recommend content that you're likely to enjoy. In each of these examples, data science is the silent hero, working behind the scenes to improve our lives in ways we often don't even realize. It's a tool that transforms raw data into actionable insights, helping us to understand the world around us and navigate it more effectively. Data science is not just about crunching numbers or coding, it's about extracting knowledge from data and using that knowledge to predict, explain, and optimize outcomes. It's a creative and critical thinking process that enables us to make sense of the world. Data science is like a superpower, enabling us to predict the future and make smarter decisions. And who wouldn't want to have a superpower like that? But who are these superheroes who wield the power of data science? They are the data scientists. the masterminds who possess the ability to harness the raw power of data. These professionals dwell in the realm of big data, sifting through vast datasets like seasoned treasure hunters. Their role is multifaceted, encompassing several crucial tasks. At the heart of their work is the collection, analysis, and interpretation of large datasets. They gather this data from a myriad of sources, meticulously clean it, and then apply complex algorithms to extract valuable insights, but their work doesn't stop there. They also use their findings to help organizations make data-driven decisions. By translating data into a language that everyone can understand, they paint a clear picture of trends, patterns, and predictions. This enables businesses to strategize effectively, optimize their operations, and predict future trends. Data scientists are the unsung heroes, turning data into meaningful insights and predictions. So we've embarked on a journey through the world of data science today. We've seen how data, in its ubiquitous presence, paints a picture of our lives, our behaviors, and our preferences. It's like a dance, a ballet of bytes and bits that choreographs our digital existence. Then we delved into the heart of data science, a field that transforms this raw data into meaningful insights. From predicting weather patterns to powering personalized recommendations, the applications of data science are as vast as they are impactful. We've also peeked into the life of a data scientist, the maestro who orchestrates this data dance. Their role? To sift through data, discover patterns, and design algorithms that enable us to harness the power of data. Next time you receive a tailored ad or a personalized recommendation, remember, it's the magic of data science at work.
We'll be right back.